Emergency services were called out after a suspicious bottle with a dark red liquid inside. The word Ebola on it was found outside a Majorca apartment block. The area was sealed off and the bottle, which appeared to contain blood, was taken to Sun Espaces Hospital in the capital Palma before being flown to a specialist center in Madrid for tests. The alarm was sounded around 8 p.m. yesterday after the hospital-type specimen bottle was discovered at the block of flats in the Palma neighborhood of Arxadu, near the city bullring. Responders in protective suits removed the container, took it to the hospital. It was immediately stored at sub-freezing temperatures before its transfer to the mainland for analysis. The container is currently being tested by experts in Madrid. Image, SOLARPIX.com. The bottle had the words, filovirus Ebola virus ARN on it. It would be RNA in English, with Ebola and rabies being among the RNA viruses that cause human diseases. Local reports said it had been discovered on top of residences' post boxes just inside the ground floor entrance to the flats. A resident called emergency services after discovering it. The area it was found in was cleaned and disinfected as a precaution following its removal. Neighbors living in the apartment block were prevented from entering or leaving their homes for several hours while it was made safe. It was not immediately clear this morning when the liquid inside the container would be tested so officials could find out whether the scare could be linked to a medical gaffe or if it was a sick joke. Police are expected to interview residents living inside the apartment block, on a crossroads near a cafe and a pizza restaurant, as part of a full probe into the find. Nursing assistant Teresa Romero contracted Ebola after cleaning the room of Spanish missionary Manuel Garcia Viejo at Madrid's Carlos III hospital. He died from Ebola in September 2014 after being flown back from West Africa for treatment. The suspicious bottle is understood to have been found in the communal area of the apartment block in Majorca. Image, SOLARPIX.com. She was released from hospital at the start of November 2014 after being treated with blood plasma from an Ebola survivor. Her pet dog Excalibur was put down on the orders of health chiefs. Earlier this month, Teresa revealed she had decided to stop working with patients who had infectious diseases. She said in an interview last year, "I felt death was stalking me, as if it was something sat on my shoulder." A new Ebola outbreak in Democratic Republic of Congo is currently causing concern. Its health ministry announced earlier this week the number of confirmed cases had reached 31 with 9 deaths. A long-running outbreak which started in 2014 and led to Teresa Romero falling ill, caused thousands of deaths in Africa and major concern in Europe.